Hello students, Standard 9th, Subject Science and Technology Part 1, Chapter number 13, Carbon an important element. In last video, we have studied about the carbon dioxide gas and fire extinguisher. Now in this video, we are going to study about methane. We can see the molecular formula of methane is CH4, that is there is one atom of carbon and four atoms of hydrogen. The molecular mass of methane is 16 Dalton. Occurrence: methane occurs in natural gas to the extent of 87%. Decomposition of organic matter in the absence of air, they also produce methane gas. Also, methane is present in biogas. Means in biogas plant, methane is produced. Methane is found in coal mines also. Methane is found at the surface of marshy places, which is why it is also called as marsh gas. On heating, a mixture of hydrogen and carbon monoxide gases at 300 degrees Celsius in the presence of nickel as a catalyst, methane gas is formed. And fractional distillation of natural gas. This process gives us methane in pure form. Now let us study about some physical properties of methane. The first physical property of methane, that is melting point of methane, is minus 182.5 degrees Celsius. The boiling point of methane is minus 161.5 degrees Celsius. Methane, it is a colorless gas. The density of liquid methane, it is less than that of the water. That is why liquid methane can float on water. Methane is sparingly soluble in water, but it is highly soluble in organic solvents like gasoline, ether and alcohol. Methane is in gaseous state at room temperature. Now let us study about the chemical properties of methane. Number 1, methane is highly inflammable gas. So it burns by reacting with oxygen to give a bluish flame. In this reaction, 213 kilocalorie per mole of heat is given out. And that is why methane burns completely. There is no any substance left behind. The chemical reaction has given, that is CH4 methane plus 2O2 oxygen, they combine together and we get CO2 carbon dioxide plus 2H2O water vapor plus heat. Number 2 chemical properties of methane, that is chlorination. Methane and chlorine gas react with each other at the temperature of about 250 degrees Celsius to 400 degrees Celsius in presence of ultraviolet light, and they form mainly methyl chloride, which is also known as chloromethane, and hydrogen chloride, which is also known as HCl. This reaction is called as chlorination of methane. Chemical reaction has given CH4 plus Cl2 in presence of light, it gives CH3Cl plus HCl. There are certain uses of methane has also given. Number 1, methane in the form of natural gas is used in industries such as fabric mills, paper mills, food processing industry, petrol purification, etc. etc. Number 2, being the smallest hydrocarbon, methane it is a smallest hydrocarbon, the proportion of carbon dioxide released in the combustion of methane is small, and therefore it is used as a domestic fuel. We use methane as a domestic fuel. Number 3, methane is used for production of organic compounds such as ethanol, methyl chloride, methylene chloride and acetylene. This methane gas, it was discovered by the Italian scientist Alessandro Volta between 1776 to 1778 while he was studying the gases found in marshy land. Now after that, let us study about the structure and function of biogas plant. So we know that animal dung, dry leaves, wet garbage, they get decomposed by anaerobic microbes in a biogas plant. This produces methane gas, and this methane gas, that is why it is also called as biogas. Biogas, it is a very cheap fuel option which meets the demand for cooking gas, and it is also used for production of an electricity. Biogas contains about 55% to 60% methane, and the rest is carbon dioxide gas. Biogas, it is a fuel which is convenient to use, and in addition to this, a very good manure is also produced as a side product of this process. So here in figure number 13.13 we can see the structure of biogas plant. So on left hand side we can see there is a tank, mixing tank, in which we can make slurry of cattle dung, and through the inlet chamber it reaches to underground digester tank. So due to the anaerobic microbes, it decomposes, and the mixture of methane and carbon dioxide gas is formed, which is collected below the slab cover, and then it is taken out from the exit of gas. So there is one more tank on the right hand side, that is the overflow tank. So with the help of this overflow tank we can take out spent slurry from this tank, and we can use as a manure in the field. So this is the structure of biogas plant. So in this biogas plant, biogas is produced. So what is the process of biogas production? So production of biogas, it is an anaerobic process. It takes place in two stages. Stage number 1, production of acids. The microbes act on the biodegradable complex organic compound and they produce organic acids. And stage number 2, methane gas production. So the methanogenic bacteria, they act on the organic acids to produce methane gas. So we can write the chemical reaction. Also CH3COOH, this is the organic acid. It decomposes due to methanogenic bacteria into methane CH4 plus carbon dioxide gas. It means that in biogas plant the mixture of methane and carbon dioxide gas is formed. So this is the end of chapter number 13. Thank you very much.